welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today I have another African dish to show you. It is called egusi stew or egusi soup, whichever way you call it. Now, just like most of my videos, this is unexpected, yo. I was just cooking this tonight, and it looked so good. I was like, oh my God, I gotta do a show. I gotta show it. And of course, I came in my traditional African wear. Yes, it's the wrap and the head wrap. So yeah, it's only right. Okay, so yeah, let me tell you how to make it. It's my first time making it in a long time. I haven't made this in a long time. So yeah. You get some egusi, which is a melon seed. If you don't know what egusi is melon seed. And now you can get the melon seed and crush it yourself, but I bought the one that was already crushed and stuff. I bought it from an African store. You're going to need some spinach, you're going to need some bell peppers, and you're going to need some onions. Also, you're going to need some palm oil. Alright, so this is how you do it. You put some palm oil in the pan, you cut up some onions, you saute the onions for like 2 minutes. You don't want to cook it too much. You don't want it to burn. You don't want it to caramelize because it's going to be too sweet. You just want to cook it for a little bit in there in the palm oil. So then you get the egusi. You put some water in there. You make it into a paste after, I got the grounded one already. Like I said, it's already powdered one that I got. So I add some water, make it into a little paste. Now, and then, now you could either cook the pepper stew first, but I like to cook the egusi first because I like to make sure it's done, well done. So yeah, I make like little balls of the egusi and I put it inside the palm oil and let that fry for like a good 5-10 minutes and stuff, and let it cook down. And then you blend, you have your bell pepper and your onions that you blend. Now, I blend like one whole bell pepper and a half an onion. So yeah, and then you cook that in there, you add that in there, and then you let that cook for like 10 minutes. And then you add the spinach in there and then let that cook. And it is so good. Oh my goodness. Check it out. Okay, here it is. Turn this light on here. Oh, let me show you what egusi looks like. This is the, it says egusi, but you know, this is probably like a Ghana store, but African store, but Nigerian is egusi, E-G-U-S-I. So that's how I am, the normal way I see it. Egusi is E-G-U-S-I. There's different ways to spell it. It's called different things in different African stores. Yeah, this one says, okay, this is Ghana right here. Okay. Well, yeah, Nigeria is egusi, like I said. Now, I got chopped, frozen chopped spinach, but you can get fresh spinach to do. And here it is. Woo! Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Now, you don't have to do the balls. Like I said, put the balls of the egusi inside, but it'll help not break. It won't break up so soon if you put like chunks of balls and when you're cooking it in the palm oil. Oh, also, while I was making this, I decided to make some stew as well. And how you make stew is almost the same, but it's not the same. You get bell peppers and onions. That's all that's on this one, bell peppers and onions. Now the stew is bell pepper, onions, and tomatoes. Woo! And you can use regular oil or you can use palm oil. This is red stew, so this is palm oil. But I normally use regular oil when I make my stew. But yeah, whew, one last look. Oh my God, this looks so good. I am so amazed. I am impressed with myself. I really am. I was so psyched. I was like, oh my God, I got to share this. I didn't even know it was going to turn out this well, and it smells so good in here. The aroma is delicious. Try it out. All right. Oh, and stay tuned for the next episode. I'm going to show you how to make a guano soup. Yeah, I'm doing the African thing. I miss the food. I grew up on it, and I haven't made it in a long time. So yeah, stay tuned for more with Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen. Bye. Mwah.